Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. We're demonstrating for you today. This is a small 18-foot long conveyor. We've converted to have some side rails on it to run some candy, which is a hard candy product. And we've turned it into a fines deduster. You'll see we have a variable speed on here. And we're running about half speed right now. We're going to turn it up slowly just so you can see the speed increase. And that's up to almost full speed there. So you can run as fast as you will need to run. I'm going to turn that back down to about half speed. That's a little bit higher. Let me just show you. You just do it easy by pushing, and it's showing it in hertz. So we're going to go to about 30 hertz, and that's close enough. And we're going to take our sample here. We're going to show you what happened down the full length of this conveyor. We've added this vibrator here with variable control. And we've created a little fines dedusting station in the process of producing the candy. Go ahead, Jim. There's fines created by the cutting system that cuts a continuous extruded rope. And you'll see some of the fines will be coming out through the bottom. Like I said, we're running at about half speed right now. Let's put a little more in there. You'll see there's a small port in the back of the pan. That's if you need to wash out, things like that. See a lot of the fines coming in there getting ready right now. Of course, the screen can be modified to a little bit larger pieces because you'll see some stray pieces in there as well. So you have to decide how far you want to go, and you don't want to remove anything larger than the desired size.
Nice job taking the dust out. Fine.
And we're going to run down the length of the conveyor. It's all stainless, it can be washed down. The controller is a NEMA 4X, 12X, wash down duty. And of course, during this process, the candy is coming out warm from the extruder, so it gives it a little time to cool off a little bit as it goes. Like I said, we're running about half speed right now. Give you one more look down here. Our vibrator does have a variable speed control. We're running at about 60% of vibration. When you get to the end when there's nowhere to push, they may stall there for a little bit, but it keeps on traveling. Variable speed control. Let me give you one more look here. Wunderbar. We collected quite a bit of fines in this little short run. And you'll see there are some pieces in there. Like I mentioned, you can take this screen and open up a couple of those holes. Give a couple larger ports to discharge the fine materials. Hope you enjoyed our quick video today. We look forward to hearing from you at championtrading.com. We hope to hear from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today, sir.